Morning everyone, I'm here in front of my DIY control panel. So this is my steering control panel and I will demonstrate to you how to change over the steering from manual, automatic and emergency, vice versa. For now, I am on the manual steering mode. As you can see, my knob was pointing on the manual steering. I will going to demonstrate how is the proper way of how to switch the steering from manual to autopilot. When switching to autopilot, you must ensure that you are on open waters. If you are in the BTS or vessel traffic separation scheme, you are not allowed to control the vessel via autopilot because it is very risky. So let's begin. First of all, you must ensure that this is the rudder angle indicator. This rudder angle indicator must be on the midship before you proceed to switching the steering. If you find that this rudder angle indicator is on the midship, and then you can switch the steering mode from manual to automatic. And then here the knob, this is the knob for you to be able to set your heading. The heading is where the ship's head was pointing. And for instance, you want to go to ahead, so set this in 0 degrees true, and the autopilot will follow what was the heading that you set on your course. As you can see, this is the pump 1, pump 2, pump 3 and 4. From time to time you need to change over it after a day. You used to relieve the other. For example, I'm on the pump 3 and it already consumed 24 hours using this pump. I need to switch it so that it can be relieved, for it to be able to not overuse, because it is so dangerous that if this pump is not maintained. It is vital that I monitor that every of my pump was relieved after it used. So for now, I will going to switch it to pump 1, so that the pump 3 will going to relieve and maintain. On the other hand, this is how to change the steering control from autopilot to manual steering. This is the same procedure to what I did recently. First of all, you must see to it that the rudder angle indicator was pointed midship. And then after that, you can switch the knob from autopilot to manual. And then you can steer the vessel manually. So the emergency steering control, it was being used when you don't have the control on the steering wheel. This was used when there is an emergency, as it called itself. If you put it in emergency steering control, you will not be able to control the steering wheel in the bridge, but rather you can control the steering to the steering room. And And that is the end of my demonstration. It's just as easy as 1, 2, 3. Thank you for watching.